Again, it has been a busy weekend. We went and played a little bit over the weekend out in Coral Pinks. We've been all over. We've been to Sand Hollow, we've been to Quail Lake, we've been up on the sand dunes a few times, and tonight we're headed out for an old Cherokee that has rolled on its top in the hot tub. So we're going to go get him rolled back on his wheels and see if we can get him up and running and drive him out of there. If not, we'll hook the old rope up and drag him to wherever we end up. So we'll take you along for the ride.
Maybe the transfer case popped in neutral.
That's always a mess. Parts are parts now, I guess.
Hi. How are you?
Good. How are you guys?
Good.
It doesn't have any in it.
You got any holes in it, or you just all run out? Well, I'm guessing we're gonna probably have to pull.
It was completely upside down for a while.
You know, there's something
Got a
about
hole.
off-road community. They just stand behind each
Oh,
other.
maybe.
It
What
was
is
a
that?
soft flop to the left, so it should hit the
Oh, it's just where the differential hit. It was just covered in oil
yeah.
from dripping down.
How's the oil? No oil?
No oil at all. Hey, you got more than I did. I only got a couple quarts. I'm glad you have some more.
I grabbed it off the shelf, but I didn't grab a funnel.
Oh,
So,
I can hit the hole.
there
Watch
you go.
this.
All right, I'm
Let's see.
gonna back away.
I'll be shaking like a dog crapping carpet tacks. You guys put me on the spot here.
Right?
Oh.
You got oil cooling?
We got oil everywhere now. I'm pouring it all over the valve cover. What do you
Well-
think? 3 quarts? I'm assuming we'll be pulling spark
What'd you
plugs too,
do?
won't we?
Ran out of talent, they said.
What?
Me, so I rolled. Got it.
Blame it on Maddie, bro.
There's a lot of
It's all
there's
right,
a lot of
it's my
truth to
fault.
that though. I love it.
No lights, bro.
Dude, your antifreeze is up.
Yeah, I know.
I got some.
Maddie, man.
It's full.
Maddie.
It's full.
Oh, really?
Hey,
Yeah,
Dad.
it's clear. Okay, what else? It's got brake fluid. It's got oil everywhere. I have to.
Yeah.
But I would just bump it real slow a couple times and see
How
what
long's
it
it
does.
been back on its wheels?
Couple minutes.
Maybe 5. How long has Casey been here? He got here just after you flipped it back
I was
over.
gonna say.
I missed the fun part.
So die.
The hill as I was going over.
Well, see what it does.
Why, Jim? Up on the hill. You do the recoveries?
Yeah.
The big white truck?
Yeah.
I was coming in the other day when you were
Try
pulling
to
somebody
crank it.
out over
Oh, I
here.
thought I saw
Just
you.
tap it.
Yeah.
Saw you.
Don't try to start it. Just
Yeah,
tap
the
it. See
school
what
bus
moves
and
over.
It doesn't.
Yeah.
School bus.
Yeah,
Not in
yeah,
parts,
yeah.
remember?
Yeah.
Somehow.
It doesn't work good.
Oh, hang on. We should probably pull the spark plugs.
We might be down to just pulling them.
What do you mean by bump though?
Just barely bump it over.
Just dink, dink, dink.
What it did right there, it
You just wanna
hydro
get it-
on the oil that's in the cylinders.
Hey,
Trying
Dad.
to push it into the exhaust. Just barely.
Dad. Lincoln. Why?
Go again.
Get backed up. Go ahead. It's not going past that one cylinder. It's gonna be number.
All right, hold on.
Number 6 is full.
Yeah, let's pull the plug. I don't know if I can find a spark plug.
Got a fun week coming. They're going to Rock Junction, Colorado.
Oh, the trail breaker next week.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up with your tacos, man? We want some tacos.
Oh, they're at the house. The hell?
Hey, this is a taco man right here, bro.
We were down there on the beach the other day thinking we could smell tacos.
Well,
I think
for
you
everybody.
could smell tacos. I think Val was down
Yeah.
Yeah, I was with Val. You get
know-
tacos?
there. No, I had dinner with her that night. We didn't
Oh.
have tacos.
I think it's 5/8 on a spark plug socket. Hey kid, don't cut nobody's hair. These guys are all bigger than you.
No, you can't hover. And it overheated.
But when I crash it right there. Hey, I got one! After you say that,
Oh, wow.
might not have an extension, but that's the problem with these tool bags. You can't find what you want when you need it.
Short dump now.
It's organized.
Well, who does that? We don't.
Not me. I've been across the sand dunes a few times. That's all the organization it needs. I always tell everybody, whatever you put behind the back seat's going to end up in the back seat. So hell, I don't have an extension to save my butt.
Run over the hill, see if he has one.
Here, I'll get Manny to get one. You want me to get one?
We might.
Hey,
Ooh,
you got an extension?
I got it. I got
Uh-uh.
one. I dug long enough. We may get there.
Yep.
Yeah, so the right hand drive's there. It's getting ILS and paint. It'll probably get rolled over too.
Dude, I got pictures for you.
Yeah, Corbin sold that thing quick, dude. What the?
Yeah, I do. But you want a shorter one than this, though.
I found a short one, but it might not be.
Yeah, like an 8-incher.
Yeah. That's what I
Well,
keep getting on me.
What?
I keep getting battery acid on me.
Oh, yeah.
I have a little cut right
You
there.
got a Sally hand so it hurts, or what?
No, I got
Oh.
mechanic hands, but my heck, it hurts.
I'm just teasing.
I mean, I am the boss, but I still work for a living. What did you have? That one?
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Maddie to the rescue.
And I thought all you knew how to do was cook tacos.
No, I eat them too.
Is she mad at you? Because she hasn't said a word.
No.
You're not mad?
Her JL's right there. Not
Oh.
even scratched, man. I told her, hey, pull me over. She said, fuck.
So she does stop.
That's the last thing I heard.
Yeah. I think I've heard that a few times myself. Today's my anniversary. Thank you very much.
It's alright, you got the kids on, man.
Yeah, well, that's the break she probably needed. 24
Happy
years of marital
anniversary, right?
bliss, man.
I took the kids.
You had a busy weekend?
Oh, it's been nuts.
Yeah.
You know, we actually went and played, and then we
Terrifying.
just bump. That battery acid's making my arm lighter.
Oh, jeez. Oh, yeah.
There went a big shot.
There's a lot in there.
Quite a bit in there. Ooh, yeah. See if it'll freewheel over now. Yeah, just crank it over, see what it does.
Oh yeah.
A couple
Let her
more of
smoke.
those.
Huh?
Do that once or twice more.
With a little bit more crank?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm liking that.
Two of them are still plugged down, aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh, better.
Can we spin them back in and see if she fires?
Yeah.
That should have got rid of the majority of it. Well, I think that's the best thing about that group on Facebook, being able to get out here and help each other out. It's the best. Battery acid isn't the best. It's not too terrible.
Better or worse than beast.
Yeah. Definitely full of oil. We found enough tools to get a spark plug out.
Oh, that's good.
the half of them probably roll around in the back of the Jeep still.
Right?
Heaven forbid you ever zip them things up.
I like the burn on all that.
Sorry.
Oh yeah!
You said you're on your way home, so I don't know. I was on my way
Just
home.
like a dang Jeep.
Hey, pool party.
Check the oil and see if it's got anything after you put. I don't know. I don't know how much you put in there.
I put
Did you
more,
empty that?
I checked it.
Oh, did you? Okay.
Yeah, we'll double check it though. You got a spotter here. Let's get that sucker up there.
Whoa! Now you guys
Get after
you gotta,
it.
you gotta get it there now.
You got an audience now. It's like a bucking bronc.
It'll walk right up now. We got lots of people.
Get back on the saddle, baby. Get back on that horse.
All right, well, we got that one rolled back over. We have this group on Facebook called Southwest Adventure Group that I've been a member of for probably about as long as I've been on Facebook. Just a bunch of guys that get together, been willing. A lot of the guys I've probably known for 20 plus years, and just an awesome group. So we got out there and there was already somebody had showed up to help tip it back over. So we pulled the spark plugs and got the oil out of the cylinders and put some oil in it, put some transmission oil in it, cleaned up the mess, and it was sure fun to see a lot of the guys. A few guys I haven't seen for 8 or 10 years, but it was kind of like a blast from the past. So hey to Clay, and good to meet Randall and a bunch of those guys. So it was sure a good time, and we got everybody back on the trail again and headed for home, and it's about 10:40 at night, so hopefully we'll get a good night's sleep and get back to the shop in the morning. Sure has been a busy weekend, but we wouldn't complain or trade it for anything in the world. We sure love what we're doing and been having a good time on the YouTube deal, even though it's a pain in the butt to film and edit. I get the messages from everybody and let me know you appreciate it, and so thanks for all that. Thanks for the support, and we will catch you on the next one.